Adobe XD is a powerful and versatile design tool that is widely used for creating user interfaces, wireframes, and prototypes. It offers a range of features and tools that make it an ideal choice for designers who want to create visually appealing and interactive designs for websites, mobile apps, and other digital platforms. One of the key features of Adobe XD is its intuitive user interface. The program has a clean and simple layout that makes it easy for designers to navigate and access the various tools and features they need. Adobe XD also offers a range of design tools that allow designers to create and modify shapes, text, and other elements with ease. These tools include a vector-based drawing tool, a text tool with support for custom fonts, and a range of plugins and extensions that can be used to extend the program's functionality. Another key feature of Adobe XD is its ability to create interactive prototypes. The program allows designers to create interactive mock-ups of their designs, complete with animations, transitions, and other interactive elements. This makes it easy to test and refine designs before they are implemented, saving time and reducing the risk of errors. Adobe XD also offers a range of collaboration features that make it easy for designers to work together on a project. These features include real-time collaboration, which allows multiple designers to work on a project simultaneously, and commenting and feedback tools, which allow team members to provide feedback and suggestions on designs. In addition to these features, Adobe XD also integrates with a range of other Adobe products, including Photoshop and Illustrator. This allows designers to import and export files between programs and to leverage the strengths of each program to create more complex designs and workflows. Overall, Adobe XD is a powerful and versatile design tool that offers a range of features and tools for creating visually appealing and interactive user interfaces, wireframes, and prototypes. Whether you are designing a website, mobile app, or other digital platform, Adobe XD is a valuable tool for creating designs that are both aesthetically pleasing and functional. While Adobe XD is a powerful and versatile design tool, there are also some potential drawbacks or cons to consider. Limited compatibility with non-Adobe software. While Adobe XD integrates seamlessly with other Adobe software like Photoshop and Illustrator, it may be less compatible with non-Adobe software. This could be an issue if you need to share files with clients or collaborators who are not using Adobe software. Limited animation capabilities. While Adobe XD allows you to create interactive prototypes, its animation capabilities may be more limited than other software specifically designed for animation. If animation is a key part of your design work, you may need to use additional software to achieve the effects you need. Steep learning curve. While the user interface of Adobe XD is generally intuitive, it may take some time to master all the features and tools available. This could be a disadvantage if you need to get up and running quickly, or if you are new to the field of UI design. Limited plugin ecosystem. While Adobe XD does offer some plugins and extensions to enhance its functionality, the plugin ecosystem is not as extensive as some other design tools. This could be an issue if you rely heavily on plugins to automate workflows or add additional features. Subscription-based pricing. Adobe XD is available as part of Adobe's Creative Cloud subscription service, which may not be cost-effective for some users. If you only need to use Adobe XD occasionally or for a short period of time, the subscription model may not make sense for your budget. In conclusion, Adobe XD is a powerful and versatile design tool that offers a range of features and tools for creating visually appealing and interactive user interfaces, wireframes, and prototypes. Its intuitive user interface, range of design tools, and interactive prototyping capabilities make it an ideal choice for designers who want to create high-quality designs for websites, mobile apps, and other digital platforms. However, there are also some potential drawbacks to consider. Adobe XD's limited compatibility with non-Adobe software, limited animation capabilities, steep learning curve, limited plugin ecosystem, and subscription-based pricing may make it less suitable for some users, depending on their specific needs and circumstances. Ultimately, whether Adobe XD is the right design tool for you will depend on a range of factors, including your design goals, the types of projects you are working on, and your budget. By weighing the pros and cons carefully and considering your individual needs and preferences, you can make an informed decision about whether Adobe XD is the right choice for your design work.